Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to track your tokens on Dexscreener using MetaMask, this is the way to do it. In this video, I will show you how to quickly connect your wallet to the platform. Right, so firstly, of course, step number one, as you can see, I'm already on the website, so just open up Dexscreener. After that, the next step is, of course, connecting, the most important one. So previously, on the previous updates of the website, I suppose, the button to connect was actually on the top right, but they moved it, so you just have to find it on the bottom left now, and press on this gear icon. And as you can see, where it says I'm signed in and stuff like that, as you can see, we have a connect wallet button. Press on that, and then press on MetaMask. Now, so right now, as you can see, you will have to pick up your phone, scan this QR code, and your MetaMask will automatically be connected to your Dexscreener. Guys, as you can see, this is very, very simple and easily done. And that's how you connect MetaMask to Dexscreener. If you found this tutorial useful, like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Guys, thanks for watching.